What's up, party people? It has been a really long time since I've uploaded a video, so I wanted to pop on and give you a little life update, and then I also have some mail packages to open. Mail packages, that was weird. I have some mail / packages to open. If you don't follow me on Instagram or you're not a part of my Patreon group, then you might not know, but I have been traveling since December 28th in my RV with my fiance and our dog. We left to head to Florida. My best friend from elementary school got married and I was a bridesmaid in her wedding. And so it just seemed appropriate to take our RV. It is a new RV to us, but it is an older RV. It's a 1982 Class C. It's a Midas Kingston. It's really cool. I'll put in a picture here. There you go. That's what it looks like. So yeah, we've spent the last month putzing around in that all over Florida, and yeah, we had a really good time. So that is the reason. I mean, besides my normal reasons for not really putting out a bunch of content, that is another reason. I had every intention to do videos while on the road, and when I got out there, I just didn't feel like doing it. And I realized that it was the first time since I've been full-time with SewGnar that I gave myself any length of time off, like totally unstructured, not thinking about it. I closed my shop. It was deeply liberating. It's a little bit scary, but yeah. So I will have some RV content for you guys once we start renovating. So we just got home a couple days ago, or the night before last, and we are going to do a complete gut of the inside paint, or not a complete gut. We're going to gut some of the inside and then paint everything, new floors, the whole shebang. So if you guys are interested, I planned on doing a couple RV videos as well. But besides that, because we were out of town for so long, I had a few packages stack up. So I figured I'd open them. And then really quick, while I'm doing this, if you haven't seen already, I did launch my Patreon. I talked about it a long time ago, and then I just had, what is it called when you feel like you're not, I can't remember what it's called. But anyways, I just felt like it wasn't, like I wasn't worthy of launching one. However, I finally did after hearing from you guys. And so if you're interested, I'll leave the link down below. There's a range of membership tiers. And yeah, while on my RV trip, the only craft that I did partake in was I taught myself how to do faux calligraphy. And I'm working on my note cards. I'm making everybody a personalized note card. So you get that if you join my Patreon. Anyway, so my first order is from Zip It Zippers. I get all of my numbers, well, I get a lot of my number 3 zippers from them. I have started using zip tape. Zipper Valley has number 3 tape. That's really fun, but they just don't have all the same colors. So I got this really gorgeous mustard color, and then I got this turquoise color. Actually, I totally forgot, but this was I ordered the wrong colors, and so Jennifer, I believe her, yeah, Jennifer, she swapped them out for me, no problem. So I love working with companies that understand that we are fallible humans, and sometimes we don't remember the numbers of the colors of zippers that we order. I'm going to tilt you down just a touch so that you can actually see what I'm doing. Speaking of great customer service, I had ordered some hardware from Emmeline before I left, and they mistakenly sent me the wrong size. So after just a quick email, they dispatched out hardware in the correct size, and then they told me to just keep the hardware that they had originally sent. So I ordered these little cuties. I put these on my Paradigm bags now. I make all the straps adjustable just because I find that, you know, everybody's torsos are different, and sometimes the bags are just too long or sometimes they're too short, whatever, I digress. So I've been using these 1/2-inch slides, and I find that they're perfect for the Paradigms well, you can imagine, it's just a 1/2 inch, you know, it's a 1/2 inch strap. But so they had originally sent me these guys. I think these are probably 3/4 of an inch. But yeah, so they told me I get to keep all these. So anyways, fantastic customer service. They answered back immediately and then sent this out. Very quickly. And then they sent me a nice little note. I don't know if you know this, but Janelle actually stocks all of my sewing patterns, which is really fun. I love having my patterns available in Canada from her. So that's not, if you're Canadian and you like printed patterns, go to her. So this next one is from Mojo Sews. I follow her on Instagram, and there was a typhoon in the Philippines, which she is Filipino, and so she ran a special to raise money to help send water and food to the villages there, and I took that chance to try out some of her zipper tape. So I got this coral color. And I got 6 yards of it. I don't think I noticed this when I was placing the order, but the teeth are actually like, they almost look like they're stainless and copper together, which is an interesting look. Like at first glance, it looks just stainless, but there's got like copper undertones. And on the receipt, it says Copper Fall. So yeah, I'm not sure. I think I was expecting more of the brass teeth that I normally use, but I'm sure I'll find use for this. The color of the tape is really pretty, and it seems to be the same. Like it feels, the zipper tape feels nice and sturdy. It's nice and thick, so it feels to be about, or it feels to be the same as what I get from Zipper Valley and other Zipper by the Yard. There are, okay. All right, what else? Got a package from one of our favorites. I don't even remember what I ordered. So let's see. Oh, I forgot. I ordered one of the rulers. I got it in Blurple, which is like blue and purple. What size did I get? I got the 7-inch zipper. I totally forgot about this. Sometimes it's nice to order stuff and forget, and then it's like a gift. So I'm sure if you follow Lauren, which if you don't, then what are you waiting for? But if you follow her, then you see that she's been putting out these rulers. And finally, I just couldn't help myself. Once I saw this color drop, I just went for it. But so it's a 1/2 inch box on the inside by 7 inches wide, and it has the little ruler marks up here, and then it's just really pretty. So I'm excited to use that on stuff. She also has a 10-inch one too, which I think would be super helpful for larger bags. Let's see what else. Looks like she sent me some extra goodies. I don't remember ordering all this stuff. Oh, this is what else I ordered. So I got her little number 3 Zipper by the Yard charms, the chevron, because they're so cute. And then I re-upped on my number 5s, which these are so thick and sturdy. I don't know if you've never tried the chevrons out. They're fun. And these seem to be different than the original ones that I got. And if I recall correctly, I want to say that it said something about them being updated. Okay, so it looks like she sent me... Oh, I totally forgot that I ordered these. I ordered the clips. Again, if you don't know, she had these fun glitter clips. They're Wonder Clips, which obviously we all know and love those, but she had them made with glitter. So out with the old and in with the new, right? Wow, 50 clips is a lot. It fills up my bowl. That must be about how many I had in there before. Oh, and it matches. It looks to be very similar to the ruler that I got. So it matches very well. Let's see. So she sent some zipper tape. So some turquoise, this is always a favorite. And then some red, like a burgundy cherry red, really pretty, with the brass teeth. Brass? Antique, yeah, brass. Wow, I'm zipper heavy today. I also ordered a sticker. I ordered a sticker, but I don't think it made it into the package. It's the Ouija hands, which is, I think, and I've never heard her say it, but as soon as I saw the sticker, I knew exactly what she meant. And it's just, you know, instead of pushing your work through your sewing machine, you just gently guide it. So Ouija hands. And look, she said she loves me. That's nice. Oh, here it is. Haha. Of course she wouldn't forget. See, Ouija hands. I just love this. Yeah, that one's going on my sewing machine. Oh, she's so sweet. I don't know if you guys have heard, but I am going to be at Sew Magical Expo in Orlando in November, and I'm excited because I get to hang out with Lauren there, and I'm going to be vending too, so I'll have cork and patterns, and I will also be vending ready-made items, so things that I've made I can sell there as well. But so the coordinator, Kayla, said that she would try to put Lauren and I together, and then in my classes that I'm teaching, Lauren said that she would be my helper. So if you're coming to Sew Magical Expo, leave me a comment, let me know, and keep your eye out because I will have at least one class, if not two. And then of course I'll be vending. So this last package is from my friend Zeba. If you are a part of my sewing group on Facebook, you've probably seen her. She is one of my admins. I've never actually met her, but we became friends online, and she is just a wonderful human being. She lives in the UK. I hope one day that we'll get to meet, but we'd like to send each other gifts occasionally. And she sent me this, and I have no idea what it is. Let's see. Oh my gosh, if this is what I think it is. This is cool. She used old pattern paper to wrap it. That's such a cool idea because it's like nice and durable. And it's almost like waxed a little bit. Great way to upcycle, Zeba. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, you've got to be kidding me. Check this out. So if you don't follow Zeba, you should. She's So Special by ZM on Instagram. I'll tag her below. But she has gotten into quilting within the last several months, and she is just slaying. She does such incredible work, and it's been so cool to watch her progress. And now she's doing quilt pattern testing and just all of this really fun stuff, and it's really cool to watch somebody learn and grow. And oh, this is gonna make me cry. I'm such a big baby, but look, she embroidered it. It says something in French. I'm gonna guess. Maybe it says, for my friend Nicole, handmade with love, Zeba. And then December 21, Buckinghamshire, UK. Wow, this is, oh my gosh. If you don't have a Zeba in your life, get you a Zeba. Oh, if you're watching, thank you so much. This is so sweet. I don't have any wall hanging quilts, so I'm just so excited for this. That's so thoughtful. I'm going to have to up my gifts to you now. Geez, I'm going to have to put more, I don't know. Gone are the days of just sending you fabric, I suppose. All right, guys, so that is my update. Again, if you want to join my Patreon, link is below. Be sure to give Zeba a follow. And yeah, get some clips. These things are amazing. Oh yeah, another thing I want to talk about. I got this sweet, sweet hoodie from this gal that another online friend that I've never met before, but we have become close over the last couple of years. But anyway, she makes like body care, self-care products, so like face serums and scrubs and just incredible, incredible products. But she just did a release of Winter Citrus and it already sold out, but you have to follow her on Instagram or join her newsletter because you have to try these products out. She's called Blueprint Botanicals, and again, I'll put everything down below, but give her a follow, check her out if you don't already. She is just like Zeba, one of the coolest people I've never met. It's really nice to have, when your online community becomes your community in real life, it makes some of the crappiness of social media worth it. But yeah, so that's it for now. I do plan on producing more content now that I'm home, especially since my shop is not open anymore, which all of my patterns are still available. I have some more patterns coming down the pipe, but my ready-to-made items or my custom-made items, I'm not going to do anymore, and except for very few slots. But yeah, so I'm shifting the way that I run the physical part of my business, the physical products part. So yeah, anyways, I'm rambling. I hope that you're all doing really well and staying safe out there and staying healthy. I hope that you had a wonderful Christmas and a fantastic New Year. And here we go. Let's kick ass here in 2022. Much love.